If you're watching this video, you already know that nerve pain can rear its ugly head in a number of ways. Sometimes it's dealing with back pain that leaves your feet numb, or maybe you have tingling in your hands and feet. No matter what part of your body is suffering with shooting, stabbing, or burning sensations, you're probably looking for some natural remedies that can also help. So while medicine, physical therapy, or even surgery has been suggested, there are foods that can help control some of the symptoms of nerve damage and pain. So here are 5 foods that can provide you with much needed relief. And make sure to stay tuned for number 5, since you probably have it in your cabinet right now. Number 1, berries. While all fruits contain antioxidants that help fight nerve damage and control inflammation, berries have a special ingredient to help nerve pain sufferers, which means raspberries, blackberries, blueberries, cranberries, and cherries are all especially beneficial to the nerves. Not only do they help prevent nerve damage, but they can also speed the healing as well. See, berries contain a chemical which contains resveratrol, a chemical that not only protects the body against internal damage, but is also a powerful anti-inflammatory, which can help take the pressure off of those sensitive nerves. So when you add them to, let's say, a smoothie in the morning or eat them as a late night snack, berries can help in the fight against nerve pain. Number 2, beans. If you suffer with nerve pain, you may already have heard that magnesium glycinate is especially helpful for nerve pain associated with diabetes or MS. And while taking a supplement can be effective since magnesium is vital in nerve regeneration and nerve function, beans are an even cheaper and tastier way to up your magnesium intake. Whether it's black bean tacos, pinto bean soup, chickpea hummus, or lentils over rice, there are endless possibilities to add more magnesium-packed beans into your diet. Number 3, fish. Studies have continued to find that fish oil can restore damaged nerves due to the omega-3 found in it. But if you've ever taken fish oil capsules, you probably know firsthand how unpleasant the side effects can be. But that doesn't mean that omega-3 foods such as salmon, tuna, cod, herring, sardines, and mackerel can't be part of your regular routine. The omega-3s contained in fish also contain resolvins, which are protective molecules that have been shown to lessen nerve damage symptoms. And omega-3s are especially worth eating whole since they help nerve pain sufferers by improving blood sugar regulation and controlling inflammation, which are often added bonuses. Number 4, nuts. If you're having problems with tingling and numbness, then nuts can especially help with these symptoms, since they're high in levels of vitamin B complex, and having high levels of vitamin B complex means they have all the vitamin Bs you've heard of. Cashews, almonds, and walnuts are said to be the best for boosting nerve function, since they're especially rich in vitamin B. And walnuts are the star of the list due to being a high source of alpha-linolenic acid, a healthy omega-3 fatty acid that shows promise in improving diabetic neuropathy. Number 5, ginger. Ginger might be last on this list, but it's the most powerful so far. It's been shown to actually heal nerves with a compound aptly named gingerol. This compound has anti-inflammatory qualities which help to soothe nerves, while also helping to repair nerve damage. And if that wasn't enough, it also relieves pain and inflammation. Although fresh ginger is delicious, dried ginger can be used as well, and is often what is used in studies, which means whether you simmer an inch in a few cups of water or add some to fish or chicken, you're helping relieve those nerve damage symptoms. One word of caution though, the maximum recommended intake is 4 grams, since taking more can cause stomach issues. Well, there you have it, 5 foods that can help ease the discomfort of nerve damage. Which food have you tried? And did it help? And if you like this kind of content, please subscribe so we can continue to make more. So until we meet again, remember, we try to eat healthy today to be healthy tomorrow. Take care.